All right, so I have created a very simple part file in Autodesk Inventor, and we're just going to look at how to move this around and look at the different sides of it and set it up to where we have the best front view. So right now you can see that it's showing, if you look at this view cube, and you can see it's calling this face the best front view. So we can move this around using the cube. You can just kind of click on it, drag it, and move it around. You can also click on the corner here to give an isometric view showing three faces. You can click on a corner or a side to get in this two-face view, or you can click on the center of a face to get a single face view. And you can see right there, there's what it's calling the front view currently. We can also move it around using the orbit tool, which is on this bar over here. So this right here is the orbit tool, the free orbit tool, and we can use that and we can move it around and look at different faces. The hand tool here, or the pan tool, can be used to kind of drag it around like this if needed. And this last tool is the look at tool. It's actually pretty useful. You can click any particular face and it'll kind of square up the camera with that face and look at it straight on. So what we want to do is we want to get the best, we want to change this so that the best front view is considered the front. And so just as a quick reminder, here's some of the things we look at for considering what is the best front view. The most natural position, the best shape and characteristic contours, with the longest dimension in our front view, few hidden lines, and we want a stable natural position. And so when we look at this, the thing that stands out the most is getting the natural contours, being able to see the contours, and no hidden lines. And so we can see for this one, as I rotate it around, that the view that's going to have the best contours and no hidden line is this one. This is also our longest edge, so this works really well for our front view. So once I've got this as a front view, I'm going to right-click on the view cube and set the current view as front. And I'm going to hit the top right corner. That's going to give me a top front right isometric view. And I'm going to set that to be the home view by, again, right-clicking on it and set the current view as home. And we're going to fit to view.